Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize your Ikea account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the third option. Now scroll down till you find the Manage Account section and tap on the first one, Personal Details. Now you are ready to add your account details, such as your first or last name. Select your date of birth by the help of this chart and give your phone number, or even change your email address. If you are done entering these steps or these data, all you have to do is clicking on the button Submit at the bottom of the screen. So your account will be updated successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.